Thanks everyone for coming. I'll be happy to take some questions now.
Could you tell us about your maintenance routine?
Thank you so much for that question. Now, my maintenance routine is fairly simple. To keep my scalp and natural hair moisturized, I add a little of my favorite oil and massage daily. For my crochet braids, for this style, brought out my jumbo satin bonnet that I wear at night, and when I get up in the morning, I just refresh my crochet braids with a little of my favorite BRX braid spray.
Can you tell us if the hair frizzes?
With all due respect, my sister, this hair is synthetic, so yes, we all know that synthetic hair will frizz to a certain degree. With this style, it actually adds to making the hair look a little more natural, and it doesn't frizz to the point where it's unmanageable or I would just want to snatch the hair out. Next question.
It kind of looks fuller than before. Why is that?
Yes, thank you for that question. And this style is a little fuller than it was when I installed it a week ago. I can attribute some of that to just the fiber naturally expanding, but I think the majority of the reason is that I have a habit of keeping my hands in my hair, twirling it around my fingers and whatnot, separating the strands with my fingers. And as we all know, synthetic hair can expand and gain fullness with the unnecessary manipulation. But all in all, I think it still makes the style look really natural. I think someone had a question in the back.
Yes, thank you for taking my question. Did you get the hair wet?
Now, this is a question I get from time to time on my channel, and no, outside of normal sweating from working out playing tennis, I have not gotten this hair wet, did not pre-soak, have not shampooed yet, nor have I gone swimming. However, that being said, this hair is synthetic fiber, mod, acrylic, basically plastic. So with that, I see no reason why you shouldn't have full confidence of being able to get this hair wet and not having to worry about altering the fiber or the curl.
I want to know if you would buy the hair again.
I would most definitely purchase this hair again. I like the curl pattern. It was so fast and easy to install with the pre-loop and rubber band ties. I haven't had any issues with any of those little ties popping or anything at all. Love, love, love this hair. I really want to get or try one of the other companion styles that came out in this collection, either the ocean wave or the deep wave. So I think that concludes all the questions that everyone has. Thank you so very much for coming. Really appreciate it. Thank you, YouTube, for watching. And you know what I always say before I go. You be safe, take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Thanks everyone. Have a safe trip home.